Hey everyone. So today in this video, I'll be explaining about status bar. So what do you mean by status bar? See here, we have a data. This is our data. 101, 89, 45, 78, 96, and 25. So what happens? What does a status bar do? So if I select this whole range of data, then what happens? How do I know how many records do we have? But when you check here, what is the count here? 6. In the sense, it is the status bar. This white space down below is nothing but our status bar. So this status bar is actually telling us the figure, that is the total number of records in our data are 6. See here, for example, if I select only these 3 records, then again the count would be the count would be 3 here. Okay. So for example, the count would be 3. And also we can also perform many things like for example, if you want to change the view, that how you look at the workbook, then you can also hover over to these options in the status bar. For example, in the page layout section here, if you just hover over, you'll be having an additional tab of adding data. And if you just hover over to the other option, for example, you'll get your view like this. Or if you just want the normal view, you can click back again. And here also we have a zoom bar using which we can maximize or minimize the view of the screen. For example, see here, this is very low. I mean, this is very micro level. I want to maximize the size of my data. So how can I do it? If you just tap on this plus here, then automatically the size of my data will get increased. Not only tapping on the plus, but we can also do the same thing if you just adjust this uh, button on the zoom bar. See here, if I'm moving it towards the right side, my size will be decreased. Okay, see here, size is very much negligible. If I want to maximize it, I'm just actually moving it towards the right here. Okay, so likewise you can just play with it. So, and the other thing is we can also perform many things using this status bar. So, for example, go to the status bar, this white line here, and just right click on it. So you will be having an options of all the commands that are actually marked as checked. In the sense, all these options are actually, um I mean, can be worked out using this status bar. For example, see here, mm, if I'm unchecking something, for example, no, before that, I want to see, I'm pressing caps lock uh, in my keyboard. See here, I have pressed caps lock. Then it is showing caps lock is enabled. It is showing like caps lock is enabled. Okay, and number lock is enabled. Okay, but what if I can do is I just right click on the status bar, and I'll turn this unchecked. Okay, I'm unchecking it, and I'm unchecking both the number lock and caps lock. Okay, now if I'm actually uh, turning on this caps lock, yeah, just now I have turned on caps lock and also have turned on number lock, but it won't show you. It won't show on the status bar. Why? Because just now we have unchecked it. If you want to show it back again, then just check it, and just now see, if I press caps lock here, automatically it would be visible. So likewise, you can add any command to our status bar. Okay, so this is the use case of it. Thanks for watching video. I'll catch you later. Jai Hind.